So, good morning, students. This is my second video of your class and same chapter, that is chapter number 1. Today's I will take some topics. You all know these topics very well, and the name of these topics are expanded form, nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000 and Roman number. These all topics you learned in your previous classes. So today I will explain all these topics again in a wide manner. Okay, students? So students, start with first topic, that is expanded form. As the name expanded means you have to explain or you have to expand everything in a wide manner. In the previous classes there are small numbers like 99. How to expand means 99 only 2 digit. Right hand side digit is 1's digit and left hand side digit is 10's digit. Means 90 plus 9 equals to 99. Same here. In this form, when we write the number 5 to 1 means 521, what that number really means is that we have the total of 500 means 500 plus 20 plus 1. We will explain the number, expanded the number to show the value of each of its digit. When we expand a number to show the value of each digit, we are writing that number in expanded form. Means whenever we write any number, suppose I already gave you an example 521 means 1 in which place, 1's place, 2 in which place, 10's place, and 5 in which place, 100 place. Means 5 multiplied by 100 equals to 500 and 2 multiplied by 10 equals to 20 and 1 multiplied by 1 equals to 1. So it is very easy to understand how to expand. Suppose 4 digit, 5 digit or 6 digit, whatever the digit, but first you write all the digit in a place value chart. So you have to expand any number in quick manner. Now I will tell you expanding brackets. In expanding brackets means if any number multiply by some numbers, how to expand it. Now understand, if we have a number or a single algebraic term, multiplying bracket term, then all terms in the bracket must be multiplied as shown in the following example. The 3 outside must multiply both terms inside the bracket. So this is the example. 3 multiply by, or just make bracket x plus 2, now bracket close, means you just multiply 3 multiply by bracket figure. What is the figure in the bracket? X plus 2. So means first you have to multiply these number multiply by 3, because 3 is outside the bracket. So first you multiply 3 into x, that is 3x, now plus sign, because already mentioned in the bracket plus, and then finally 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6. So the answer is 3x plus 6. Again, one of the example, that is expanding, how to expand. Here 2 multiply by again bracket g plus 4, means first you multiply g, 2 multiply by g, that is 2g, then plus sign, and finally 2 multiply by 4, that is 8. So I hope you all understand how to multiply, or how to multiply with expanding bracket. Okay students? So now we move to our next topic, that is nearest 10. Nearest 10, you all know this topic in very earlier classes. In earlier classes, only 2-digit number, 3-digit number or 4-digit number. But in your class, there is more than 5 or 6 digit or 7 to 8 digit. But how to find out the nearest 10? See, there are 3 steps to find out the number which is nearest to 10. Okay, so first I will explain you the nearest 10 of 3 steps. First step, see the ones digit of the given number. Whatever the number is in front of you, first you see the ones digit. Then second step, if ones digit is less than 5, replace ones digit by 0 and keep the other digit as they are. Means if the ones digit is less than 5, if ones digit is less than 5, so don't be panic. You just replace that number and put 0, and rest all the digits are same. Okay, now third step, if ones digit is 5, if one digit is 5, increase 10 digit by 1 and replace ones digit by 0. Means if the ones digit is 5 or more than 5, if ones digit is 5 or more than 5, so what you have to do? You just do it in tens digit and convert it 10 digit by 1. Means you have to add 1 in tens digit and replace ones digit again by 0, and rest all the numbers are same. Now I will tell one example so you understand how to find out the nearest 10. There is an example. In 53, only 2 digit, that is 5 and 3. The ones digit is 3 and 3 is less than 5. So the required rounded number is 50. How? Because in second step, if you remember the second step, if ones digit is less than 5, so what you have to do? you just replace that number and put 0 in left hand side and put other number same. Means 3 is converted into 0 and 5 is same. Okay, so I hope you understand the nearest 10. Now move to nearest 100. In nearest 100, this is also very easy. In this topic, you know that how to solve nearest 100. Don't be panic or don't be feel uneasy, because this is also very easy, same as nearest 10. In nearest 10, you see the ones part and then converted tens part or tens place. Same in nearest 100, you see the tens place and 100 place. Okay, again same thing in nearest 100 also. There is also 3 steps. Listen carefully. First step, see the tens digit. See the tens digit of the given number. As I already told you that in nearest 100, you watch only tens digit or 100 digit. So as you see that in first step, see the first digit of the number. Okay, now move to second step. In second step, same thing in previous step. Previous step means nearest 10. Okay, not first step. So what is this? If tens digit is less than 5, if tens digit is less than 5, replace each number of tens and ones digit. Replace each number of tens and ones digit by 0 and keep the other digit as they are. Means if tens digit is less than 5, if tens digit is less than 5, what you have to do? You just replace tens digit and ones digit into 0 and rest other number you have to write as they are. Now third step, if the digit is 5, if the tens digit is 5 or more than 5, increase 100 digit by 1 and replace each digit on its right by 0 and replace each digit on its right by 0. Means if any number and you see the tens digit is 5 or more than 5, so what you have to do? You just replace 100 digit by 1. Means you have to add one number in 100 place and replace other digit which other digit? That is written in right hand side by 0. Okay, so I will explain it through example. Suppose there is an example in 648. In 648, the tens digit is 4. The tens digit is 4 and 4 is less than 5. Means, what does it mean? Means you have to replace tens digit and ones digit into 0 and rest other number is same, means so the required rounded number is 600. So understand, means if tens digit is less than 5, if tens digit is less than 5, maybe if tens digit is 0, doesn't matter, means if 10 digit is less than 5, you just rounded off tens digit and ones digit into 0 and rest other number are same. So students, you all understand the ones, the nearest tens and nearest hundred. Now I move to the other topic, that is nearest thousand. So students, now I will explain the nearest thousand. Okay, in nearest thousand, again 3 steps, and this is also very easy to understand. Okay, as you all know, nearest 10, nearest 100, now nearest 1000. In nearest 1000, you have to observe again 2 digit. Which one? First is 100 place and another one is 1000 place. Understand? As you watch in nearest 10 only ones and 10 digit, in nearest 100 tens and 100 digit, same in nearest 1000 you have to see only, or you have to watch only 100 and 1000 place. Okay, so first I will tell you, or I will explain you the 3 step. Same, see the 100 digit of the given number. As I already told you that you have to watch only 2 places, that is 100 place and 1000 place. So see, in first step, see the 100 digit of the given number. Now second step, if the 100 digit is very good, is less than 5, replace each number of 100 place value, 10's place value and 1's place value by 0 and keep the other number as they are. Means if the 100 digit is less than 5, maybe it may be 0, so don't be panic. If 100 digit is less than 5, then you have to convert it 100 place value, 10's place value and 1's place value by 0 and rest other number same as they are. Now third step is that if 100 digit, good, if 100 digit is 5 or more than 5, increase 1000 digit by 1 and replace each digit on its right hand side by 0. Means if 100 digit is 5 or more than 5, what you have to do? Increase 1000 digit by 1, means you have to add 1 by 1000 digit and replace other digit from right hand side of the 1000, means 100 tens and ones into 0. Now I will explain you through an example so you understand how. So example is that in 5486, the 100 digit, in this number 5486, see the 100 digit. 100 digit is 4 and 4 is very good, 4 is less than 5, means if 4 is less than 5, then you have to convert it 100 digit tens digit and ones digit by 0, and rest other number are same, means 500, that is 5000, means in 5486 the 100 digit is 4 less than 5, so the required rounded number is 5000. I hope you all understand these nearest number, nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000. Okay, I will give you some questions to solve at home by yourself. Okay, and don't be panic. Understand? So solve it at the end of the class. Okay, students? Now our another topic. In this topic I will explain you the Roman numbers. Roman numbers, you all learned these Roman number from your very earlier classes. Very earlier classes means when you all are in first standard. Okay, so from your first standard you all knows about Roman numbers, but in your class there is some changes, but many things are same as previous class. Understand? So first I will tell about Roman number. One of the earlier system of writing numerals in the system of Roman numbers, means in earlier system, means in earlier days we have to write numerals in Roman numbers. Now there are 7 basic symbols to write any numerals. There are 7 basic symbols or 7 symbols. If you understand these 7 symbols, so you learn very easily Roman numerals. These symbols are given below. What are the symbols? I wrote in both the symbols, Roman numeral and Hindu Arabic numeral. Hindu Arabic numerals means you have to write your counting 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the Hindi Arabic numeral. And Roman numeral, there is some symbols, that is 1. In Roman number, how we can write 1? 1 is equals to I. 1 is equals to I. I means 1. How we can write 5 in Roman number? 5 equals to V in Roman numeral. Now 10. How we can write 10 in Roman number? 10 equals to X. 10 equals to X in Roman numeral. Now 50. How we can write 50 in Roman numeral? We can write 50 in Roman numeral equals to L. L equals to 50. Now move to 100. Now move to 100. 100 in Hindu Arabic numeral. But if we converted 100 in Roman numeral, yes, very good. We can write C. C equals to 100. Now move to 500. 500. 500 equals to 500. This is Hindu Arabic numeral. But if we write Roman numeral, how we can write Roman numeral of 500? That is D. That is D. And finally 1000. 1000. 1000 1000 in Hindu Arabic numeral, but if we want to write Roman numeral, you can write M. You can write M. Now I will explain you with the help of one example. The example is CXIV. CXIV. So C means very good. C means 100 and X means good. X means 10. But IV means I is smaller than V. When any numeral that is smaller than other, you have to subtract it, not add. See, first letter is C. C is greater than X. That's why C plus X. But I is smaller than V. That's why I is subtracted from V. Means V means 5. 5 minus 1. Okay. So 100 plus 10 plus in bracket 5 minus 1 bracket close means 100 plus 10 plus 5 minus 1 equals to 4 means 100 plus 10 plus 4 equals to 114. Now I will explain another example, that is XL. See, which is greater? Correct. L is greater than X, means X is subtracted from L. X is 10 and L is 50. So you have to subtract it. 50 minus 10. Same thing. 50 minus 10 comes in bracket. And after that 50 minus 10 equals to 40. I hope you all understand Roman numerals in a very easy manner. So students, now the activity time. Today I will give some questions according to your class, as whatever the topics I explained you, I give some questions according to your topics. As you all see that there are 5 questions. One is expanded form and 3 is nearest 10, nearest 1000, nearest 100. One more question I give you, that in that question you have to find out the nearest 1000 of some rupees, and finally you have to write down some Roman numeral. So first start with question number 1. Write the following numbers in expanded form. I gave you 10 questions, 10 subparts of these questions, and in every questions, in every subpart of these questions, I put commas. So it is very easy to you to solve the questions. How? I will explain another time. Means I will explain now. Means that in first question or first part, A part, that is the question is 4, 14, 68, 130. Means first you write 4, then comma, and then rest all the numbers put 0. Means 4 comma then 0 0 comma 0 0 comma 0 0 0 plus, then after 4 which number comes? 1. Very good. 1, then rest other number is converted into 0. 1 0 comma 0 0 comma 0 0 0 plus, after 1 which number comes? Very good. 4. Here also 4 comma 0 0 comma 0 0 0 again plus. Now which number comes? Good. 6. Same thing. 6 0 comma 0 0 0 plus, after 6 which number comes? 8. After 8 comma 0 0 0 plus, after 8 which number? 1. 1 0 0 plus, after 1 3 comes. 3 0 plus 0. So like this you have to solve all the 10 subpart of this question, and it is very easy to solve it because commas are mentioned in your all subpart. Okay, otherwise if there is any problem, if you face any problem, then what you have to do? You do it first, you make a chart in Indian system manner and put all these figures. Same this example 41468 put this number in Indian chart in ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs and crores. Then also it is very easy to solve it because what we have to do is starting from crores and then put other one is 0 with the help of comma, then plus, and then lakhs period 10 lakhs, then other one is 0 plus, then lakh and comma, and then rest other one is 0 plus, then thousands period. In thousands period first starting with 10,000 and the 10,000 place is 6, rest every number is 0 plus 1000 digit is 8 and rest other number is 0. Now we move to ones period. In ones period start with 100 is 1 and other number is 0 plus tens place is 3 and other is 0. Now ones place is 0, that is 0. I hope you understand the expanded form, how to solve it. Okay, now we move to nearest 10. In this question you have to find out the nearest 10. I give you another 10 subpart of this question. When you solve nearest 10, what you remember in your mind? Yes, tens place and ones place. Start with ones place and then tens place. Here is only 2 digit, ones and tens. If ones digit is less than 5, then that number is converted into 0 and rest is same. But if ones digit is greater than 5 or same as 5, then what you have to do? Again ones digit converted into 0, but tens digit add 1 in tens digit. Okay, now I will tell another one, same thing in A part. So the question number 2, nearest 10, A part is 89. So one's digit is 9. 9 is greater than 5, means we have to converted tens digit. Okay, and one's digit converted into 0. Yes, one's digit converted into 0 and tens digit add 1. In which number? Yes, 8. So 8 plus 1, 9. 9 and 0, 90. Like this you solve second question. Now move to third question. Third question is rounded off the number to nearest 100. In this question also, you remember again two things. What? First is tens value and another one is 100 value. If tens value is less than 5, if tens value is less than 5, then what you have to do? Tens and ones converted into 0 and rest other number is same. But if tens digit is same as 5 or greater than 5, then again ones and tens digit converted into 0. But 100 digit, what you have to do in 100 digit? Yes, we just add one number in 100 digit. Now another example, that is E part, 982. 982. So 10 digit is good. 10 digit is 8. Means 8 is greater than 5. So what you have to do? We just add one number in 100 place. So what is the number in 100 place? 9. So 9 plus 1 is 10 and rest 2 digit, that is tens and ones digit converted into 0. Very good. So this is 1000 equals to 1000. Like this you solve all the questions of all the part of these questions. Now move to fourth one, that is rounded off the number to nearest 1000. In nearest 1000, what you have to do? Again you remember two things, that is 100 place value and 1000 place value. Okay, again I will explain in G part. I will explain in G part. See, in G part is 5,986. So the place value of 9 is 100. So you just remember 100 and 1000. So 100, what is the 100 place? 9. So 9 is greater than 5. Means you just converted 1000 place value. And how? 1000 place value add 1. So what is the number in 1000 place? That is 5. So 5 plus 1 is 6 and rest other number, that is 100 tens and ones converted into 0. Means the answer of 5,986 equals to 6,000. Okay. Now we move to question number 5. In this question, just listen carefully of this question. In this question, Mr. Rajesh bought a car. One of a person whose name is Rajesh, and this person bought a car and the cost of car is 8,67,596, means 8,67,596, and you have to round it off the cost of car to the nearest 1000. When you rounded off the cost of car in nearest 1000, remember again two things that I already describe you, already tells you. What is this? 100 place value and 1000 place value. If 100 place value is less than 5, then what you have to do? 100, tens and ones converted into 0, and rest other numbers are same. Nothing you have to change. But if 100 place value is 5, means same as 5 or more than 5, then again you have to do 100 place value, tens place value, ones place value converted into 0, and 1000 number is added with 1, and rest other numbers are same. Okay, so don't be panic, free of mind, and solve these types of questions. And last but not the least, that is the Roman number. You have to solve all the Roman number that I already described in this class. So again, here is 10 subpart. Now I explain only two numbers. First one is 324, that is F subpart of question number 6. 324. First, what you have to do? You just expand it. This number, you just expand this number. 3 in 100 place, that is 3 into 100 equals to 300, plus 2 is in tens position, that is 2 into 10 equals to 20, and 4 in ones position. So 300, how we can write 300? 300 means 100 plus 100 plus 100, and the value of 100 is C. Very good. So C equals to 300, and 20 means 10x equals to 20, and 4. How we can write 4? I and V. I and V. Why I and V? Because I is smaller than V. That's why C X I V. Okay. Now another one is J part, that is 2012. Again you just expand it. This number means 2 in 1000 place, means 2000 plus 0. 100 place is 0. 0 is nothing. So you just not connect anything. You just leave it and move in tens place, that is 1. So 1, another number is 0. 1 0 10 plus 2 means 2000 plus 10 plus 2. Now you just converted this number into Roman. So 2000 equals to 1000 plus 1000 equals to 2000. So 1000 equals to, what is the number of, what is the digit? What is the alphabet of 1000? Correct, is M. Means M plus M equals to MM, plus 10. 10 means X, and 2 means II. So the correct answer is MMXII. Hope you all understand this types of question and solve it in a very easy manner. Okay, bye.